Look at that. Would you just look at that? Welcome back to No Man's Sky with King Drama. Today we're going after two S-Class multi-tools, two separate systems. You're probably going to have to reload on each system, but we'll go over that once we get there. Let's just jump into it and make it as quick as possible. In the Euclid Galaxy, that's where we're going to be. In the Euclid Galaxy, starter galaxy. Okay, let's go ahead, activate. And start throwing some chords. Alright, this is the last one again in the Euclid Galaxy. Alright, once you get to the other side, you're going to be greeted by some comms. Just head to your ship. Head to the sky. And you're going to look for another comm. Communication. And there it is. So we're just going to head over there. Okay, now we're going to come in here and just go ahead and make a landing. This is a miner's outpost. Okay, we're going to get out, create a save. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we're going to have to resave, and the reason is when you look at it, it is an S-Class now. But let's go ahead and hit the resave. Alright, now we pop back in. Let's go back in and take a look. Voila, look at that. Pretty sweet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and swap out one of my other ones. Go ahead and compare it. Now I already have an S-Class, but yeah, I didn't do anything with it. Yeah, we'll go ahead. Exchange it. And that's number one. So let's go ahead and go get number two. Alright, I hope you like that first one. Let's go after the second one. Now the second one, this is going to be my favorite one. Still Euclid Galaxy. Nothing's changed there. This is going to be the exact same thing we just did. Alright, let's go ahead and activate. Let's start with you. Here's the last one, Euclid Galaxy. Okay, same story. Once we get to the other side, jump in your ship. Let's head to the sky. And there it is. So we're going to go ahead and head over there. Okay, when you approach this one, there's going to be two settlements. They're kind of identical. You can do this on either one. There's a base over there. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop her in on this first one. Out we go. There it is. It's an S-Class, kind of like that other one. And we're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing. Here we go. Okay, now that we're back, let's head back in here. Look at that. Would you just look at that? I mean, the other one was nice. I like this one though. And this is the one I got the first drop, but this is the one I really want. Alright. Go ahead and exchange it. Voila. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you want to subscribe and leave a like, I would appreciate it. And until the next adventure, which I'm sure there will be more. Bye.